Let's take a look at this Panasonic combination microwave. Sometimes it can be really annoying when you're cooking something larger for your family, but the dish won't fit into the microwave. You won't have that issue with this, as it comes with a spacious turntable that will fit every family-sized plate. And you can be sure everything will be cooked evenly with inverter technology that cooks every part of your food quickly and consistently. Plus, even though this turntable is large and it's got an impressive 27-litre capacity, it's also got a new slimline build that takes up less space on your countertop. Now, this is a combination microwave, which means it's a microwave, an oven and a grill all in one. There are also 29 automatic menus to choose from. To access these, just use the buttons on the side over there and they will sort out the settings for you, so you don't have to remember every setting for each ingredient. And you can choose from the junior menu if you're looking to make healthier snacks for kids.